These 10 viral Amazon finds are guaranteed to make your daily routine completely effortless. Let's count them down. Number 10 is this automatic electric spin scrubber that cuts bathroom cleaning time in half. Number 9 is the one-handed automatic electric spice grinder. Just click and season. Number 8 is the gorgeous 3D Galaxy crystal ball lamp set for ultimate room aesthetics. Number 7, these ultra-thin magnetic motion sensor under cabinet lights. Number 6 is the folding space-saving wall hooks that stay hidden when not in use. Number 5, the viral Astronaut Galaxy Projector to turn your ceiling into a deep space nebula. Number 4 is the USB-rechargeable Ninja Blast portable blender for smoothies on the go. Number 3, the heavy-duty under-cabinet jar opener that opens tight lids effortlessly. Number 2, these sleek magnetic cable holder clips to clean up your desk clutter. And number 1, the heavy-duty Gooseneck phone holder for hands-free binging in bed. Click open related video to get all the links.